Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to export or save your Microsoft Excel as a final version without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to use this particular document as an example. All you have to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Info. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Then under the info right here, go ahead and click on Protect Workbook. And the next thing you want to do is scroll down right here and click on Mark as Final. This workbook will be marked as final and then save. Go ahead and hit on OK. This document has been marked as final to indicate the editing is complete and that is the final version of the document. When the document is marked as final, the status property is set to final and typing editing command and proofreading marks are turned off. You are recognize the document as marked as final when the mark as final icon displayed in the status bar. Go ahead and click on do show this again and then go ahead and make sure you click on OK and then you can see the warning right here marked as final by the auditor. It's that simple. So the next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we come to the top right here. We go ahead and click on File, then go ahead and click on Save As, and then go ahead and click on Browse, and then you can change the file name right here and say mark as final, then put in a bracket, then you can save into your file destination. I'm going to save it in desktop. I'll go ahead and make sure I choose Excel workbook right here and I'll go ahead and click on save and the file has been successfully saved. So if I close this tab right here and then I go ahead and look for the file, so this is the file right here. Excel mark as final. If I press enter key now just to run the file and then it's going to open up like so, then you can see it right here and then you can see it right here. So anyone that have access to the file know that the file has been marked as final from the top right here, which means that no further edit as far as the document is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Word Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.